What's going on, y'all? This is H. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And yeah, I'm sorry for not posting the last few days. I honestly, one, I haven't paid the activation fee for my Combine account. Two, I want to pay and pass more Combines account before I actually activate my account. So I'm just kind of debating on it, honestly. And yeah, I haven't been trading this month at all. So we're just gonna go over how the market moved for London session open and maybe even New York session open. I'm not sure if we can see something there. We'll see. If there's something, we'll see. We have this high right here. We did not take it. We took that one. Okay. So I think I see the first SMT. I'm just gonna go over New York session open, honestly, and see if I could have. I mean, well, this was obvious, wasn't it? There's just no retracement, honestly. I don't think there's any retracement. So we have this 1 hour for Bali Gap as well as 30-minute for Bali Gap. Yeah, just it goes up down to 30 in ES. We clearly inverse it, but that made the SMT, obviously. Same over here. Same old, same old. Honestly, we came down to this low, which was London session low. But this is the lagging index, so I need to see how Nasdaq reacted to this. So of course we have this low, and this will be my primary draws, honestly. For this SMT, because it's a high time SMT. So unfortunately, like I said, I mean, we have a 5-minute fair value gap or 15-minute fair value gap. Actually, let's see if we see anything in the 5-minute. We took this low, and that would kind of like tell me that this SMT was completed. But we do have a 5-minute fair value gap before New York session open. And honestly, I don't see much. We did take this high, so I guess after taking this high at 9:45, it would have been, our point. Like we already having SMT in the high time frame. We have this high being taken by this high, and over here we don't at all. So what high was it? It was this high to 9:45, right here. So a lot of people only trade Nasdaq. So after that SMT, obviously, let's see which one was the first to take it. Yeah, 45 and 50. That was actually it. So right here, 45 and 50. This green and red candle right here. So those two took it in ES. So for me, we gotta go down to the small time frame. I wish it would have been like something here, honestly, that I could use. There's a fair value gap that was inverse, but then it was actually respected. Like we inversed it to the upside, but then we went back down. These lows right here. Well, we took this low, the first low with this candle. Not much that I can do, honestly. We have the SMT. After that, we don't need much, but here you go, 45. I don't know, maybe I would have liked this 1 minute for belly gap to be, be respected. But I'm not sure. I mean, we do make the SMT 45 right here. That's it up. And then the next one is a bearish candle. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I guess again, I would have liked this 1 minute fair value gap to be respected or reacted off of. So yeah, sadly I don't think I would have taken the trade, even though everything is telling you to go down. This would have been my perfect trade if we do come to this fair value gap and we react off of it somewhere right here to these lows, if I'm not wrong. Yep, 1 to 1.39. So that would have been nice. Unfortunately, again, I was working, so I just need to save some more money. Honestly, I'm going to get paid, and then I'm going to use some of the money to buy some more combines and trade them. That way I have more than one express account that I can trade and try to get a payout out of. But yeah, I mean, didn't do much, honestly. Let's see how ES reacted. Yeah, I mean, here we do come to this fair value gap. It's not a good risk to reward ratio, but above here to this low, which London session right there, almost a 1-to-1. But it's a nice one. Do we have anything in the 5-minute time frame? Nope. Into the break structure all the way down here. I guess you could, I mean, I don't know. Were those my targets? After this one, SMT, it would not have played out. Look, it goes down. If these are my targets for the day, it would have not played out. Look, we came down, yes, a 1-to-1, but then we go back up and we go all the way to my stop loss. So it's kind of weird. I have not been able to find a trade, even though I've not been trading. I have not been able to find a trade, honestly. And I'm in this like mental state where I just want to take it slow. You know, I'm like taking one step back right now. Obviously, because I don't have money. But once I pay everything that I need to pay, I will be able to have more, you know, and actually invest more money into my trading. But I'm not giving up again. It's been a slow week for me, honestly. Well, thank you all for watching. I appreciate you all. I hope you have had an amazing week this week. And yeah, I'll see you all next week. I think by next week I'll be able to buy some more combines and be able to pursue my dreams again. Of course, I'm not just sitting back and waiting. I'm, you know, I'm over here back testing and seeing if I could have entered a good trade or not. But anyway, that's it. Thank you all for watching. This was just a video to let you know that I'm not trading so far, and that I'm trying to save money, trying to save capital so I can buy more combines and pay for the activation fee of the account that I passed. I'm not sure if it's here. It is not, but yeah. Alright, see y'all next time.